Hola clase, today we are learning how to increase or decrease a quantity by a percentage. I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to do it, and then we will make an example together. Now remember that when you increase by a percentage, you are multiplying the original value by 100% plus the increase or decreased, and that will equal the new value. So before you do that, you need to know that percentages, fractions, and decimals are interchangeable. You need to know how to calculate the percentage of a quantity and to identify words for increase or decrease, so you know which one you need. And if we are talking about money, for example, an increase, you could see things like plus GST or a surcharge, or they're talking about a penalty or interest, those kind of things. If it's a decrease, I'm taking out, so it could be words like there is a discount or a bonus or a sale, that kind of stuff. Now, how to step by step, you actually have two possibilities. So your first option is to first calculate the percentage to increase. And remember, when I say increase, it's increase or decrease. And then add or subtract to the original value. The other option you've got is to transform the increase into a decimal, add it or subtract it to 100%, which would be 1, and then multiply the original value by that result. Either or, remember that you have to get to the same result. Let's see that in an example. They ask me to calculate $150 plus GST. So the first thing I do is I read that plus GST, and I think that that's an increase. And actually it's an increase of plus 15%. So GST is 15%. I need to calculate 15% of 150. There is a video somewhere about how to calculate percentages, so I can do it as that, or as 15 over 100 times 150, or as 0.15 times 150, depending if I'm working as a percentage, a fraction, or a decimal. Regardless the method I do it, that gives me 22.5. So then I will, in this case, add that value to the original, 150 plus 22.5, that gives me 172.5. So because we're talking on dollars, I would put the dollar sign in my result, $172.5, and I box it. Let's do the same example, but using the other method. They ask me the same, calculate $150 plus GST. So the first thing I do is thinking that that plus GST equals to plus 15%. That in decimals is plus 0.15. If I add 1 plus 0.15, 1.15, I simply need to multiply 150 times 1.15. That gives me 172.5. So again, we're talking about money, so I put in my answer $172.5, and I square it or box it so it's easy to find. Remember, I get the same result regardless of the method used, so I just need to pick one, the one I feel more comfortable with, get to the number, and I'm done. Now it's your turn to go and practice. Thanks for watching.